west.
Well, another March-like day here on May the 3rd across the region. This was our coolest day. There is the view currently from the airport in Earlysville. We've had a little band of showers that rolled through this afternoon. Now, the airport briefly touched 60. Most of us held in the 50s, 57 currently, mostly cloudy skies, westerly winds. And again, most of the rain fairly light that did move across the region. 51 currently at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, mostly cloudy skies, a west-northwesterly wind at 13, only touching into the low 50s today for highs. 52 in Madison, 55 there in Palmyra. We have 51 in Waynesboro. As we take a look at the satellite radar combination of the last several hours, you can see that buildup of clouds and then that quick little band of showers right now headed toward the Richmond metro area. We'll zoom in a little closer. There's still a few lighter showers out there. Here we go just west of Charlottesville out toward Owensville and just to the east of Crozet out toward Ednam Forest. Go a little farther north right along the Blue Ridge here and you get right off Skyline Drive. There could be a little mix of some wet snow there, but again, it's quick-lived and moving off to the east fairly quick. It's been a big story out west the last several days on the Alleghenies. This is the scene early this morning west of Monterey. You can see some of the sheep there with the snow falling, and then we go up toward Cheat Mountain where Snowshoe is, the resort, and of course that's above 4,800 feet, but as of this morning they had a snow depth of a foot. They had about 6 to 7 inches the day before, 6 to 7 inches last night into this morning, so quite significant. Over 16 inches in Canaan Valley from this setup that's begun since the start of the week. Temperatures here for us tonight with some partial clearing in the low and mid 40s, still remaining breezy. Then for tomorrow, still below average, but temperatures a lot higher than today. Most of us will top out in the mid to some upper 60s east of the Blue Ridge, some lower 60s to the west. Can't rule out a stray shower, but most of us remaining dry. So those temperatures are on the uptick as we move through the late week and into the weekend, becoming a lot more seasonable by this weekend with temperatures back in the low and mid 70s. Again, 74, 75 is our average daytime high here across central Virginia. There it is. That's the culprit for this March-like pattern. Broad area of low pressure deep in the atmosphere. It's started across southern Ontario, moved a little farther south. Now it's kind of east of Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. That will begin to move away, but that's responsible for the wind, the clouds, the rain, and for higher elevations, the snow out to the west. So these cooler temperatures still at play, but the milder air not too far away, and that'll start to work in here once this area of low pressure departs. So as that trough lifts out, the temperatures will start to respond as we get more rigid in the atmosphere to bring those temperatures up. So here we are for the early morning hours. We're in the 40s, mix of sun and clouds tomorrow. We're in the 60s for highs, maybe that stray shower, many of us dry. We'll start Friday morning in the upper 30s and low 40s, and then Friday afternoon, most of us will be at or just above 70. For tonight then, partly cloudy, chilly, breezy, low and mid 40s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. We're going to start to say goodbye to this March-like weather that we've had here since the start of the week and this month, and we'll see those temperatures on the rise here over the next several days. A lot more May-like as we move into Saturday. And look at these temperatures by Sunday into next week. Yes, it'll turn warm. Temperatures well in the 70s and 80s. Next best chance of rain, showers, and some storms Tuesday, Wednesday of next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.